This video is brought to you by Smashballoon. Today, you'll learn how to use Instagram to increase your YouTube subscribers. This is a great thing to do if you already have a growing or a stable Instagram account that has a lot of followers already. Then you can leverage that to grow your YouTube account. Hey there, I'm Christina with WP Beginner, where we teach all about WordPress so you can grow your website and reach your audience. And another great way to reach your audience is by using your social media accounts. And I'll show you a few different methods so you can pick the ones that work best for you. So let's dive in. One of the first things that you can do is you can use Instagram directly to grow your YouTube account. And what I mean by that is when you're creating YouTube videos, create a shorter version. For Instagram, it has to be less than a minute long. For instance, WP Beginner, we do this all the time. We create our videos for YouTube, and then we create a smaller version for Instagram. And then you can also showcase the full video in the description. So that's a really good and easy way to do that. And while you're already in there editing your longer video, you can do that for this as well. Another way to get your Instagram followers and to increase your YouTube subscribers is by creating a page with your Instagram account and your YouTube account. And let me walk you quickly through that. First, you'll want to install the Instagram Feeds Pro by Smashballoon, and you'll want to have the Feeds for YouTube by Smashballoon as well. Both of these plugins are created by Smashballoon, which is the world's leading social media feed plugins for WordPress, which means you can integrate your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, and your YouTube feeds all on your website. To get started with Smashballoon, make sure you head over to smashballoon.com and make sure you use promo code WPBVIP to get the best discount on Smashballoon. To get this on your website, I'll walk you through how to install the Instagram Feed Pro first, and then I'll walk you through how to install the feeds for YouTube, and then I'll show you how we can combine them both on one page so you can cross-promote both social media profiles. First, with the Instagram Feed Pro, we need to download it from the account, and then let's head back over to our WordPress dashboard. From here, we need to upload the plugin. So we'll go to Plugins, Upload, and we need to find the file, and we'll go ahead and install it. Once you install it, go ahead and make sure you activate it as well. Now we see it installed here, and you can go to Settings, or you'll also see a tab over on the left called Instagram Feed. Here we need to add our license key and then save changes. Once all that's good to go, we can create or customize our feed. So from here, we want to configure. And the first thing you want to do is click on the blue Instagram button to connect to the Instagram account. From here, you want to choose between personal and business. For many of the features that we offer in there, you'll want to upgrade to business, and it's quite easy. We'll have a link in the description below on how to upgrade your Instagram from personal to business. It's free, and it just takes a few minutes to do that. Once you select the one you want, go ahead and click connect, and then you want to allow or authorize Instagram Feed Pro to connect to your Instagram account. And now you'll see the account come in. And then from here, you can choose different feed types, either user account or public hashtag, as well as a few other things. Once all of this is connected, we can now connect the Feeds by YouTube, also by Smashballoon, where we just go and download the plugin, we'll upload it, and we'll get everything connected. You need to download the plugin as well and go to Plugins, Upload. We'll need to find the plugin that we're uploading and then connect. You also want to connect your license key for this as well. Once everything's connected, we can configure. And just like with the Instagram, we want to connect our YouTube account. So you want to click connect and pick the profile and the YouTube account that you want to connect to. You want to authorize the plugin to have read access to your YouTube account so it can pull in all of the data. And then if you're wanting to do some advanced things like pull in playlist or your favorites or even search for YouTube, then you'll want to connect an API key. And if you want to do that, you will have the link in the description below on how to do that. But if you're just wanting to pull in the videos then by the channel, then this should be fine. And once you have both of those installed, then we can go and create a page, and we'll click Add New. And from here, we can do a layout element where we want to lay them out side by side. So we're going to do column. We just want to do a 2-column, and the first column, I'm going to click on the plus button. I'm going to start typing in and searching for Instagram feed, and then that'll bring that in. And then in the second column, we can do the YouTube. So we're looking for feeds for YouTube. And now that you have them side by side, then you can publish this and see it in action. You see, we're suggesting that they follow us on Instagram, but also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a really great way to showcase both of them and cross promote both of our channels. And then one of the final ways that you can use Instagram to grow your YouTube channel is by running an Instagram giveaway. So you create a giveaway on your WordPress website using RafflePress, and then you promote it to your channel, and the main focus is to grow your YouTube channel. You see, I have set up one doing a giveaway because I have an outdoor adventure blog, and you can do the same thing and watch a video or visit our YouTube channel or subscribe to our channel will be the top ways that people can be entered into the program to do the giveaway. And then you promote that to your Instagram followers and really push them to this giveaway and grow your YouTube channel. And then you can watch this video next where I walk you through step by step on how to set up a giveaway using RafflePress. And then let us know in the comments below, which is your #1 method that you'll be working on to grow your YouTube channel with your Instagram account. And thanks for watching.